And so the main problems in the clinical market we see is that the clinicians that want to produce and fabricate chairside restoration extremely fast, they want it to be extremely easy, and they need to be hygienic and clean. And as you know, with chairside 3D printing, if you're pouring out a large bottle of material into a tray and then you're pouring it back into the bottle, or you're mixing the resin, it's quite nasty, right? And it can be quite messy for your patient to be exposed to. And then the other aspect is that it's quite expensive, which Bryce alluded to with the crown kit. Buying a large bottle, even buying like the third kilogram or a half kilogram bottle, it still can be upwards of $500-600, and so it's quite pricey, even $800 for some materials. And so it's quite expensive just to be able to utilize some of these resins, and you may not actually utilize the full bottle before it expires. And so we've decided to develop a cartridge-based printing technology. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any cartridges here. They're all in Australia at the main headquarters, but it's simply just a little cartridge that contains the cartridge itself is the resin tray. It has the build platform built inside of it, so a stem, and then it has a lid to the tray, which is a lid to the little cartridge itself. The cartridge will simply be locked into the center of the Asiga Max system. You will have to purchase an adapter, a build platform adapter, to be able to utilize the print pod system. And you can start fabricating crowns chairside in as fast as 9 minutes for some materials.